This is a video introducing the key features of WABK 1800W single portable electric cooktop. It helps give you an overview. Of course, if you want to learn all the features, follow the link in the video description. Let's start by learning about the key features. 1800W portable electric cooktop. WABK electric stove uses the standard 110 to 120 volt power socket of all households in North America. CE and FCC approved. Lightweight and compact, 14.17 x 11.02 x 2.56 inches, it's easy to carry and store, ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or on-the-go use. Multi-function ceramic stove electric cooktop. WABK electric stove top 10 power levels, 100 to 1800 watt, to meet your different choice, which is convenient for you to choose the right power to cook a variety of different foods. Perfect for braise, fry, simmer, steaming, boil, stir-frying, roast. Knob and sensor touch control. Effortlessly adjust temperature, power, cooking modes, activate the child lock, or set a timer with just a light touch on the hot plate panel. The electric burner's black crystal surface boasts scratch-resistant, wear-resistant, and high-temperature resistant properties, while remaining simple to clean. Multiple safety protections. Built with overheat protection, residual heat indicator, auto shut-off, and child safety lock, this 1800W electric cooktop ensures safe use for the whole family. A built-in cooling fan extends service life, while the durable crystalline surface resists high temperatures for long-term reliability. You can click the subscribe button and select the bell to receive instant notifications when future videos are uploaded. See you in the next video. Thank you.